Hola amigos, hola amigas, Dorian here from Hooverlux. Welcome, bienvenido, krosui, salam alaikum. Welcome to the channel, y'all. Chash, yak, shamash, and yong, and howdy, y'all. So we are here with another unboxing from my vacuum pimp up in Scotland, Dino. Hello, Dino, how are you? So this arrived the day I was doing the unboxing of the first box that I got from Dino. Ooh, the rain is pouring down, girl. So we are gonna go straight in and unbox my box. And let's have a look. We've got lots of brown tape. We haven't got any string on this one, Dino. You've let me down. So let's get rid of that. Kitty girls, have I got a treat for you in here? I think I'm gonna have to bring you guys a little bit closer and we can take a peek inside this box. So I just decided to reclose all my flaps because you guys are gonna flip when you see this because I am in love. Ta-da! Just pop the box over there. There is nothing else in here. There we go. And this is the oldest Miele that I have. This is one that I got from Hoovermaster, and that was the oldest one that I had. Now this beast is the oldest Miele that I have. It is the Miele Electronic S2341, 1000 watts of rather grubbiness. Let's have a look at the plate underneath. This is Miele, made in Germany. It's the 154 is that an 8 or a 3? 8102 type S2341-02, 240 volts, 1000 watts and 1100 watts with the electric brush. Yes, here we have the port for the electronic brush head on it. So this poor thing, if I turn it over, you can see is in a bad state. It is very, very dirty. It looks like it's been in a house fire, but seems okay. Let's have a look at the... So we have all the tools, as you can see. We have the crevice tool, the upholstery tool, the dusting brush, and then we have this little attachment then for going behind the radiator, all in it. If we lift up the handle, there we can see it's a big ass. A little bit grubby on the inside. There's some bits and bobs floating around. That filter looks a bit blocked, but I need to squish that down. Hang on. I'm just going to put this bag in it for now, just so I can close the lid. These were sent to me in the other box by my lovely friend, my Dino. Here we have the wire cable. Still works, excellent. I'm going to turn it down to 350 watts. And we're going to plug it in and switch it on. And that sounds a little bit dry, but I have to say it is really good. I absolutely love it. Oh, look at that, still working well. Now I assume this one is from the 80s or possibly the early 90s, but it is definitely an old beast. Now if I look at it underneath, if I just take a little bit of cleaner like so, and we will see that it's just dirt. It looks like smoke damage to me. I remember my parents bringing some of the stuff back from the house fire that they'd managed to save. A couple of photo albums and a couple of records. Now if you go back and check, there's still the smoke damage on the on the records from the house fire. But yeah, that will come up really well. If I use a scrubby pad on it, all of this is going to come up really, really well. Now, the issue that I have is the hose, but I have an old hose for this, so I can just interchange it between the other ones, so it's not a problem. But everything works on it really well. I will take a look at the what do you call that? The full bag indicator, because that didn't appear to be working. I'm not going to be able to test to see if the if that's working, but it's 100 watt max for that, for the power. Oh, I love it. I really, really, really do love it. It's really nice. So I think we will, it's a bit dusty, I think we're going to start repairing this ASAP, because I really want to get this one, the oldest one, up and running, and then we're going to work on this one. So I want to get both of these Miele's up and running and usable. But yeah, I really do love it. It just needs a really, really good clean and a lot of pads on it. I think what I'm going to do is take this off and clean all the inside of this here, because it's very, very dusty on the inside, and put some new filters on it and stuff. But yep, so far so good. So there we go, an extremely quick video for you guys today on this Miele. What did we say it was? The S2341. So this is the S2341. So I'd like to say a great big thank you to Dino for sending this down to me, and I can't wait to work on it and get it looking as good, or near as much as good as it did when it was new. So yes. So thank you very much for watching. Please comment, like and subscribe for more videos. Nice, very, very quick one for you today, and I'll see you guys very soon. Bye y'all.